standing alone in the rain. Funny how no one can tell the difference between the rain and what I'm feeling inside. Every drop that falls like a memory I try to forget. People say rain is peaceful, but for me, it just makes everything louder. The silence, the overthinking, the things I never said. I keep standing here, hoping this rain washes away the pain. But it doesn't, because some storms are not outside, they are inside you. And no matter how heavy it rains, you're still feeling alone, standing there, pretending you are okay.